Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, My Nutrition Foods. It's really nice that you can join me here today. So I am going to be sharing a tip on how to freeze bananas for smoothies. Freezing bananas will definitely save you a lot of time. And if you have lots of bananas that are starting to get a little overripe, it's a really good way of being able to still use them when you need them in the future, because when they're in the freezer, they will last several months. So I have a baking sheet and it's lined with parchment paper to put the banana on. Now, one tip I would give you is you definitely need to peel the banana first, because once they're frozen, if you haven't peeled the banana, it's just a nightmare just trying to cut through a frozen banana peel. So definitely one tip is to peel the banana ahead of time. Then I'm just going to slice up the banana and just lay each chunk onto the tray. Just space it out evenly. There we go. Now, if you are tight on time, you can just put it straight into a bag, a freezer-safe bag. Just make sure there's no air in the bag when you close it up. So I will now pop it into the freezer. It will take about 2 hours to freeze. Now, if you're not putting it on a tray and you are just putting the banana straight into a bag, the only thing with that is they can just all stick together. So the way to overcome that is just take the bag out of the freezer every 30 minutes or so. Just give it a shake up and that should overcome them sticking together. So thank you for joining me for today's visit video. I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know in the comments below what smoothies you make with frozen bananas. And please hit the like button and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. So I will be back with more nutrition tips soon. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy.